So this is a type of camper that I have. It's an Rpod, and we'll be changing the pump, a switch, the pump switch, and there's a strainer in it. Now when we go inside, I already pulled up the table, and this is where the table was, or the full-size bed in the front of the camper. So you want to take that all up and pull that up, and one side where normally your seat is when you have a table, on the driver's side or left side, you can take off the top. And it's just a board on top, and like on this side you can see there's just a board there, and it might have 4 nails or little screws, tiny little screws, and you can pull those up and reach and get access all of your plumbing and wiring. So the water pump is right there, and the part that goes bad most of the time is the head, or what they call the switch, and that is right on the end right there with the black wires, and you can get replacement parts just for that, the switch, the pump switch they call it. And then also this part right here, you can see it, it's right here, and that's where your strainer is. It's like a little filter, good size filter, and that also you can purchase, and both parts together are only about $40. So what you do is, there's screws down on the bottom. There's 4 screws, and they're mounted to the floor. You can just pull those up. These are just butterfly screw valves, so you can unscrew those. There's one on each side, one there and one here. And I already took this one apart, so this connects to the end of that threaded rod. There's threaded tubing on both sides, and you just unscrew them to take them off, and screw them to turn them back in, and hand tighten them. And you do have to take these wires, one of these wires off, or both of them actually, and you can just pull those off with pliers or a needle nose. And then you just pull that out. You maybe have some water leakage when you take the hoses off, so you might want to have a little pail or a little or a big, or a bowl or something. So you just take that off, and then you can take this head off. It has 6 screws, and they're different kind of screws, 3 different ones. 3 are machine screws and 3 are more like wood screws or plastic. So you have to keep those separate, make sure you know where that, and when you get the piece, you want to use the same screws and put them back in there. And so you just put that back in and put it back. You unscrew the old head, this one, with the 6 screws, and you get your part, and you screw it back in with 6 screws. You reattach your wires. Good idea is always to take a picture of it, and then you know how it goes back together. And so that's all there is to it. Alright, so thanks for watching. This is Troy with Rpod Repairs. Thanks, have a great day. Good luck.